Want to get down? Taking my shoes off. We want to put it right over here. You know when I call your house, you're supposed to know who I am.
I was supposed to, but I didn't. Last time then.
He said it's not Miss Bell.
Well, if I spoke from there, you know, so many girls call there from there, and I can't keep up.
Now, where am I going with you?
I don't have a party.
Well, are we going to need it all? I reckon. Yeah, but I believe we're going to have to fix them though, too. You know, and go ahead and hit the rest of them and pull it up again. You got what? Don't hit the mic. Watch out, Kenneth. One at a time, Okay, what's that?
I thought you were in Colorado. I just bet, yeah, you can record around. This is in and out, you know, and give a few people, tell them to talk to Miss Bell.
There's the goodies they got.
Jesse, stop! Don't shoot me.
You know what they're doing over there?
They're putting up a hot air balloon. Can we get right in? Why are they putting it up? I'm gonna ride in it. I don't want to put it up now.
You ride all you want. Hey, Carrie.
If you don't get that camera out of my face.
Oh.
No. You get it all time, I'll give him Yeah.
Hey, look. This is the in and out button. In, out, in, out, in, out.
I'll see. Grandma, sit down.
Please stop laughing.
Just sticking. Being sarcastic here. God.
It's got room and everything. That's pretty good. That's what I wish I had. I know. Zoom, wide angle, and see, I can hit that button.
No. Where's my mom? I want to get her.
So just realized.
No, I didn't.
I don't think that's it.
We didn't want it.
Whoa. Who is that? What'd she say? What'd you say? We got more in the class, too. Get me. Who? Quentin? He's over there. He was over there helping the preacher a minute ago.
He's probably behind the balloon.
Oh, somebody down there?
Yeah.
No.
Wait, no, wait.
Yeah, I think him and Daniel. Yeah, he's down there. Yeah. You gonna go play that?
Yeah, let's go play.
I'm gonna zoom in on I don't want to do it.
Hey, Stevie. You hear me, boy? Alright, that's enough.
Get my mom. God.
Where's she at?
Don't get her.
I got it.
You need to just break them off like that. You have to put pencils on the dog. Dog.
Dog, no!
Oh my God.
You're gonna break that thing. That thing costs a lot of money. No. Not get This is picking up what we say, right? I'm gonna be quiet now.
So you need to be quiet
You
now.
need to stop filming people's rear ends.
I'm not.
You are.
I am not.
It has no tape in it. It has no tape. There's no tape in it. There's...
Now you got your thumb. Missy, you feel dumb. There's no tape in it.
Kevin. Where's Kevin? At home with you. He's at home with me.
Oh.
He come to my house now.
Better get this thing away from me!
Yeah. It's getting real high. No, you can't.
I'm going up in there with him and push him out.
You wanna look in the camera?
Irene, what's the latest?
No.
What's the latest about?
You're not getting
Go back on up. I got it.
You hear her? Say it again. She said it's getting bigger. Oh my God.
Record her. Put her in.
Look at the camera, Santana. Oh, no camera.
I can't see her.
How's it going with the recording?
Wait, it's too close. You gotta get away. Is it recording? Santana, look! Look, Santana! You have the tape?
Yeah, I'll show you the button. I'll have the REC and the left hand, upper left hand. Yeah. In fact, I'm going to swap that battery out for the...
Misty, I got more footage than you.
What's the most Davy? Linda, he don't want any more. I quit. Look at that blue one. Oh boy, oh boy. Look at that.
Look at the ant.
Morgan! She's going for a nanny. Where's your grandma? Y'all going in there? Huh?
All right, good. Yeah, Miss Ann, come on now.
Oh, yeah.
Should have told me when we got.
That had my mother's
he'd fly one of them things, don't he? He looks like a horse.
He would. That thing is
When you want to go in it.
Lord, lift me up and help me stand. That's the reason it has so much hot air. It has to get us off the ground.
Huh? Hold on a second. Let me get a still picture. It's recording. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get back so I can see all of it.
Too bad the Democrat is, huh?
There's one in there. You gonna ride on it?
Nobody's gonna ride. Insurance won't let them, I don't think. Whoa! Wait a minute. Let's see. They're gonna let us go out there. Oh, they are? Okay. Richard, get back in the fence. In the fence. No, I don't think so.
Can't go.
I don't think so. I don't think the insurance will let
Mama can get in.
kids go. I don't think so.
Glass, Miss Jessica's Mama can go.
You want, Katie, you want to go? You want to go?
Sure, once we get up.
That's hot. That's why they do this in the mountains in the cool air. Really?
Well, it's summertime.
I know.
Here we go.
We're aloft. Oh, really? What a smooth ride. Yeah.
Two persons.
That's too heavy. Y'all got it loaded down.
Next two persons be ready.
Irene, you get in the room?
I've never been in one of those. You can get in front of it.
You get there fast, don't you? Afraid about it a while
Stand in line. Stand in line.
It didn't make no more. Too many, you know, they're in the car.
go ahead and just take me right here on the ground, because I ain't going up there.
You're not going up. It's fun. You ought to go.
I would go up, but...
But why not?
My feet have never left the ground, and I don't want to leave it now.
Stop when you jump.
Hey, I didn't see y'all.
Hello. She does too. I hate climbing up trees.
Go ahead, Haley, and try to